Hello, my name is Gediminas. I'm from Ergovent, and we have exciting news regarding our LINEO Pro CONDI 125 diffusers. The new LINEO Pro CONDI diffusers comes with EPP boxes. This is a new material that we changed from PVC boards. Comparing with the previous model, we only had side connections, which came with two duct connectors of 125 millimeters. Now there's a possibility to connect three duct connectors from the side or three connectors from the top. One of the most important thing is the material itself. So EPP is made of thermally insulated material, which prevents any condensation. So it also prevents from any condensation leaking through the slot. At the same time, we have produced new EPP duct connectors, which are made specifically for our ducts. It doesn't need to use any special adhesives, and we're using specialized plastic screws, which are preventing any cold bridges. The new LINEO Pro CONDI 125 diffuser is 1 centimeter shorter, thus allowing us to stack more items on the pallet. So previously we had 50 diffusers which could be stacked on the pallet. Now, thanks to our optimized height, we can stack as much as 60 diffusers on top of the pallet. With these improvements, we can deliver goods in greater numbers and with lower costs. With the development of the new plenum box, we are saving the height of the ceilings. So with the new upgraded diffuser, we are now able to save up to 1 centimeter of ceiling height. The plenum boxes will be coming as whole, so you will be determining yourself how many and where do you want to make the cuts. What you will be needing is a sharp knife and determination where you're going to install your diffusers. That's it for today. Thank you for your attention. Follow us for new exciting news about Ergovent products.